Next question is find the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Now this can be obtained by finding the value as well as can be found remainder can be found by doing actual division. So let us try by actual division. If x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Yesterday we have tried to solve some problems. If the concept is not clear, again pay attention. You will be able to solve. X cube, how we solve? Divide first term by first term. X cube divided by x, quotient is x square. So we write the quotient x square. Now with this quotient multiply the divisor. So x square multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to x cube plus x square. X square into x is x cube, x square into 1 is x square. So we have to subtract this, x cube plus x square. Change the signs, you will get x cube minus x cube as 0. Now this will be minus x square plus 1. Please note, this 1 minus x square I have written in the descending order. X square first and then 1. Now we have to divide again first term by first term. So if you divide minus x square by x, we will get the quotient minus x. Write minus x as the quotient, multiply by minus x to the divisor x plus 1. That is this is equal to minus x into x is minus x square, minus x into 1 is minus x. Now minus x square minus x. Change the signs, you will get, again please note, we have to write this in descending order, so you will get x plus 1. Now divide first term by first term, x divided by x, answer is 1, this is the quotient. So we will get 1 as the quotient, multiply by 1 to the divisor x plus 1. We will get 1 into x is x, 1 into 1 is 1. So x plus 1 subtract, remainder is 0. So question was find the remainder obtained on dividing x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. So remainder is 0. Remainder is equal to 0. This remainder can also be found by putting the 0 of the divisor in the given polynomial. So 0 of divisor. To find 0, we equate x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 1. Please note, this is a divisor. Now we have to put this value in p of x. So p of minus 1 is equal to x cube means minus 1 bracket cube plus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 3 times. We will get this as minus 1 plus 1, remainder is 0. You can understand, value is 0 as well as remainder is 0. So remainder can be found by finding the value of the polynomial, and this itself is called remainder theorem. Let us see remainder theorem. If let p of x be any polynomial. So p in x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. So degree of the polynomial is 1 or greater than 1, and let a be any real number. This is let a is any real number. If p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, it means if p of x, a polynomial, is divided by x minus a, then we get the remainder p of a. We will get some quotient q of x will be a certain polynomial and remainder will be p of a. This is what the theorem says. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. We know that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. It means p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x, where q of x is the quotient and remainder is p of a, or let it be r of x. So r, let it be r. Now this remainder must be equal to p of a. R must be equal to p of a. Let us check whether we are getting or not. Now we are consider p of x. Now let us see what we get p of a. P of a for finding p of a. To find p of a, to find p of a, put x is equal to a. Put x is equal to a in this equation. In equation 1. In equation 1. We will get P of a is equal to. We have to put x is equal to a, so we will get a minus a into quotient, which will be q of x, that is q of a plus r. Now we know that a minus a is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so we will get the remainder r. It means P of a is equal to r. So we get the same, remainder is equal to P of a. Thus, remainder theorem is proved. Means, if we want to find the remainder, if any polynomial is divided by any linear polynomial, we get the remainder is equal. So, remainder is equal to P of a. Find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So this is the divider, this is the divisor, and this is the dividend. It means this is P of x. So P of x, let P of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Now if this is divided by x minus 1, so divisor is x minus 1. It means 0 of divisor is, to find the 0 we have to equate 0 of divisor is, equate it to 0, so we will get x is equal to 1. Put this x is equal to 1 in, it means therefore remainder is equal to, according to remainder theorem, now we are not doing actual division. We can directly find the remainder by finding, according to remainder theorem, by finding the value at 1, we will get the remainder. So we will get 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into 1 raised to 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 plus 2. So answer is 2. 2 itself is the remainder. Therefore remainder is equal to 2.